Today, we're checking out this fun and functional 3D printed grabbing hands. The first print failed because there was no brim around the object. It should stick with a brim around it. Watch as this design comes to life. It consists of sticks with two separate hands. The two hands were printed in one session. The details are still very good with standard settings. Let's grab the grabbing hands. Please subscribe if you like it, thanks. The sticks were printed with tree supports, which is very efficient. You can also see the brim very clearly. The hands were printed with normal supports, the old-fashioned way. Now you've seen the difference between these two support methods. The supports came off easily. With the tweezers, the inner part of the support was pulled out. Let's push the hands on the sticks. No glue is needed. These sticky hands, or sushi grabber sticks, are cool, creative, and surprisingly useful. The whole print was done within 2 hours on an A1 Mini. It's fun to pick up light objects, or maybe you want to grab some food with these hands. You might also want to check out my 3D design channel for more tutorials.